Hey, I'm Mechanical Engineer, and this is my giant wooden ladder.
Oh my goodness, it is beautiful.
Since one of my sisters is getting married, she's asked me to build a few things for the wedding. One of those things being a giant letter B, which is the first letter of her new last name. So since her wedding is quickly approaching...
It's tomorrow.
Whoa, hey, no, not that quickly. I thought today would be the perfect time to build it, so let's go ahead and jump into it. My sister wants this letter to be 28 inches wide and 48 inches tall. So I'm going to start by cutting down oak wood boards that are 30 inches wide, and I want to cut out enough of them so when put side to side, they're 50 inches tall. Like these. And the reason why I cut these a few inches too large is because we're going to have to cut into it and sand it, so if we cut it down to the perfect size to begin with, it would actually end up being a little bit too small. With all of our boards now cut out, I'm going to go ahead and plane both sides of all the boards.
Times all the boards.
And then take my dowel pin jig and some dowel pins and start joining all the boards together.
So on and so forth.
And once all the glue has dried, we are left with one giant board that is 30 by 50 inches. So now I'm going to take a pencil and sketch out the outline I want to make onto the board, then take my jigsaw and cut along the lines. And here it is after it is all cut out. Now all it's left to do is to first sand it, then stain it. My sister wants her letter to be white, so I'm going to use white stain, but that's beside the point.
Boring.
And here it is after everything is done. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little concerned about the white stain going into it, but I think it came out looking pretty nice. They definitely picked a good size for this letter to B. It should look great at the wedding, and I hope they love it. But hey, thank you so much for you guys watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And Lord willing, I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, and please feel free to subscribe.